video of this guy, Mr. Butters. So he's spawn trapping on Dome, on Demolition. So easy. And now this is his first mw3. And this is how you spawn trap on Demolition. So this wasn't made by me, it was made by the player that you're watching. So look at this. You need to zoom. You need to aim at between those four barrels, those blue four barrels. Aim between them, and the enemies will spawn over there. So you can get around 75 kills in a minute because it's so easy. And this is his friend's mw3. So I hope you liked this video. That's how you spawn trap. And the spawn traps on this game are crappy, so bye. This video wasn't made